Alright, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just want to apologize in advance for how poopy this video is going to be, but I was filming at my boyfriend's house and there's not really a good space to do that, and I'm also just too shy to like talk out loud in front of people, so that's why I'm doing a voiceover. But anyways, today I'm just going to be cutting my bangs off in quarantine, so that should be fun. So here I was just kind of combing out my hair and figuring out like how much bangs I actually wanted to cut. I knew I wanted like really thin wispy bangs, and as you can see here, I'm just twisting the hair so that it kind of over directs on the ends so that it's not just cut straight across. This is like a pretty common trick amongst people who cut their bangs at home. I'll link a video down below for like actual instructions. I've done this a couple times, so I just cut it. So obviously that wasn't long enough, so I always slowly just kind of go in and trim like bit by bit. I'd rather cut off too little than too much because obviously you can fix the first option. So then I'm just twisting the hair in the center and making that the shortest hair. There you go. I'm just using normal like art scissors too. And then as you can see here, I'm kind of cutting vertically into the bangs, which gives them a lot more of a wispy look, and it makes them look not so blunt like I just cut them straight across. Alright, so then I just went ahead and washed my bangs so that I could dry them without having a middle part, because that makes it look a little bit strange, and I just wanted to have them fully cover my forehead and not have like a weird side bang kind of thing going on. So I just over direct the hair and dry it kind of flip-flopped like so. Alright, and then I just pretty much was like pulling out any other hairs that I felt like I needed. I still felt like they were a little bit too thin, and I've even added more since then actually, but yeah, I just wanted to kind of perfect it now that I sort of had them styled with the hair dryer. And now I'm ready to style them, so I just wanted to give them a little bit more of a curl, but I kind of overdid it at first, as you can tell. This is also a really bad angle. I'll give you guys a better one later, but the only thing to rest my phone on in the bathroom was the sink, so we're working with what we've got. And yeah, I just started kind of straightening the rest of my hair and playing with it, seeing how they looked. Alright, so that's kind of how they ended up turning out, and then I just wanted to add some dry shampoo to the rest of my hair because it was a little bit greasy. Alright, so then now it's at a better angle and you can kind of see how my hair looks with the bangs. They're actually a little bit thicker than they are here now. I filmed this like a week ago, so I'll insert a picture so you can see what they look like now. I'm going to have a bunch of different videos on kind of how I style my hair now that I have bangs and stuff like that, and how I actually style the bangs. So here I just decided I wanted to curl my hair to see how it looks, and that's what I'm doing. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and be sure to hit that subscribe button. I'm going to be posting twice weekly now, Tuesdays and Fridays at 6, so I'll have a couple videos all about my bangs coming up after this one, and I guess I'll see you guys next Tuesday. Thanks for watching.